Looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots with unmatched clarity? In this guide, we reveal the best drone for professional photography featuring top-tier cameras, advanced stabilization, and intelligent flight modes for stunning results every time you take to the skies. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Photography Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 Photography Drone is a compact but yet incredibly powerful aerial tool designed for photographers who want professional-grade results without the bulk or hassle of heavy equipment. Featuring a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it delivers stunning 48-megapixel still photos and crisp 4K 30fps HDR videos, supported by a precision 3-axis gimbal for buttery-smooth footage in any condition. The f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel technology enhance low-light performance, ensuring your shots are made vivid and detailed even in challenging lighting conditions. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 bypasses FAA and remote ID registration requirements, making it easy to travel and shoot anywhere. The redesigned remote control offers enhanced precision with a directional antenna, and the PixSync 4.0 system ensures a stable 1080p 30fps live view with up to 10 kilometers of transmission range. Intelligent AI tracking modes like Spotlight, Follow, and Parallel make capturing moving subjects effortless, while the AI-powered night shot mode produces sharp, noise-free night visuals. Creative shooting modes such as vertical 2.7K photography, 4x digital zoom, panoramic captures, dully zoom, slow motion, and quick shots unlock cinematic storytelling potential. With smart transfer speeds of up to 25 megabytes per second, sharing your work is quick and seamless. Flight features are beginner-friendly yet advanced, including PNNS positioning, customizable home points, cruise control, auto takeoff and landing, and smart return to home. Powering your adventures is a fast charging hub that replenishes up to 3 batteries in just 1.3 hours, offering a remarkable total of 96 minutes of flight time with the Fly More combo. The Potensic Atom 2 strikes the perfect balance between portability, advanced imaging capabilities, and user-friendly controls, making it a top choice for professional photographers, content creators, and hobbyists who demand exceptional quality from a small, travel-friendly package. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes, urban skylines, or high-speed action, this drone ensures every shot is stabilized, sharp, and ready to impress day or night.
Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro Photography Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro Photography Drone is a versatile aerial companion designed for both memorable family moments and professional quality shooting. Equipped with the ability to capture stunning 6K photos and smooth 4K 30fps video, it turns everyday events into cinematic treasures. Whether you're documenting a backyard celebration, a scenic hike, or your child's first bike ride, the advanced image sensor lens ensures every frame bursts with vibrant color and sharp detail. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal delivers exceptional stability even in windy conditions, making your footage smooth and professional. The F11 Pro 2 is built for extended exploration, offering 2 high-capacity batteries for a total of 70 minutes of flight time, meaning you can capture more without frequent interruptions. Intelligent GPS flight modes such as Follow Me, Orbit Flight, Cruise Control, and Waypoint Planning simplify complex aerial maneuvers, enabling even beginners to produce impressive results with minimal effort. Its enhanced wind resistance and precise GPS positioning allow confident flying over varied terrains. Night mode expands your creative possibilities, capturing compelling visuals after dark with clarity and reduced noise. Built for reliability and ease of use, the F11 Pro features intuitive controls and automatic return-to-home functionality to ensure your investment stays safe, even if the signal is lost or the battery runs low. The combination of powerful imaging, smart flight features, and long-lasting battery performance makes the Ruko F11 Pro an excellent choice for photographers and videographers looking for a dependable drone that can handle diverse shooting environments. Whether you're creating content for social media, documenting travel adventures, or adding breathtaking aerial perspectives to professional projects, this drone delivers consistent, high-quality results in every flight. Number 3. Patensic Atom 3 Photography Drone.
The Patensic Atom 3 photography drone delivers professional-grade performance in a lightweight, travel-ready design. Weighing less than 249 grams, it requires no FAA or remote ID registration, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures. Its 12-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor and 4K 30 FPS video capability, combined with a precise 3-axis brushless gimbal, ensures stable, clear footage even in level 5 wind conditions. The intuitive remote control offers responsive handling, while GPS-assisted flight and an auto-return feature ensure the drone always comes back safely. A 64GB microSD card is included, so you're ready to start capturing high-quality content right out of the box. Beginners will appreciate the simple controls, while experienced users will value the precision and stability. Designed for portability without sacrificing performance, the Patensic Atom 3 is perfect for travel vloggers, outdoor explorers, and hobbyist filmmakers. Whether you're filming a fast-paced event, capturing panoramic landscapes, or experimenting with aerial storytelling, the Atom 3 provides the tools and stability needed to bring your vision to life.
Number 4. Veeniix V11 Pro Photography Drone. The Veeniix V11 Pro photography drone offers advanced aerial imaging for professionals and enthusiasts seeking exceptional clarity and control. With a 1/2-inch CMOS Sony sensor, it delivers breathtaking 8K photos and 4K 30 FPS videos, ensuring every frame is crisp and detailed. The integrated 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake system work together to produce smooth, cinematic footage. The auto-return function ensures the drone makes its way back in case of low battery or signal loss, adding an extra layer of reliability. Fast PD 3.0 charging keeps downtime to a minimum, while automatic battery discharge after 48 days of non-use preserves long-term battery health.
Number 5. Veeniix V11 Air Photography Drone. The Air Photography Drone combines style, advanced imaging, and intelligent features for an unmatched aerial experience. Its unique blue and orange propellers not only add visual flair, but also improve in-flight visibility. The upgraded 6K camera, paired with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, captures detailed, stable footage in 4K 30 FPS. Its 10,000 feet ultra-range transmission ensures clear, uninterrupted video feeds even at long distances, while the auto-return feature brings the drone back safely if it loses signal or runs low on power. Built for aerial photographers seeking reliability and flexibility, the V11 Air excels in diverse environments, from coastal landscapes to bustling urban scenes. And there you have it, the top 5 best drones for professional photography, each designed to take your creative vision to new heights. Whether you're shooting landscapes, real estate, or cinematic videos, the right drone can transform your work. Check the links below for the latest prices and grab yours today.